Good morning, students. It gives me great pleasure to talk to students through video presentations like this as usual. The topic which I have chosen today is Lagrange's mean value theorem. The short form is LMV theorem. Okay, the statement goes like this: if y is equal to f of x, a function is continuous in the closed interval a comma b, comma is differentiable in the open interval a comma b, then there exists at least one C element of a comma b such that if dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a whole divided by b minus a. There are three conditions in Rolle's theorem. I will take only two of them. First two conditions here for Lagrange's mean value theorem. The proof goes like this. Okay, let me just take between a and b, the curve, it is continuous in the sense I will be able to keep on drawing the graph between a and b. The point b, let us say a comma f of a. Here the point is b comma f of b, let us say. Okay, just listen. I am talking about the proof now. Okay, I am just talking about the proof. Okay, now just listen and draw a horizontal line. Okay, then by differentiability, if I keep on drawing various tangents, slope of the tangent is a finite quantity, that's the meaning. Okay, due to continuous nature of the curve between a and b, at least at one point, the tangent drawn will be parallel to, these two will be parallel. Let this point be c comma f of c. Okay, therefore slope of the tangent at c is equal to slope of AB. They both are equal. Here by geometrical meaning of derivative it is f dash of c. Here it is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. F of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. I repeat, by continuity I will be able to draw the graph between a and b without any break. By differentiability, the slope of the tangent drawn at each and every point between a and b will be a finite quantity. That's the meaning. Okay, due to the continuous nature of the curve between a and b, at least at one point, the graph goes like this. I may get more than one point. This is a, this is b, let us say. Okay, I get 3 points over here. Okay, if I draw a chord over here, it is a point, line is parallel, this is parallel, this is parallel. There are 3 points I will be able to get. Depends upon the nature of the graph, how it goes between a and b. Okay, the tangent drawn at capital C, c comma f of c is parallel to chord AB. Okay, chord AB. Now for slope here is f dash of c. Slope here is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. That's the way it's being done. Okay, this is Lagrange's mean value theorem, or we call it as simply mean value theorem, or we call it as LMV theorem. We just call it as LMV theorem. Let me think of the application over here. Okay, verify LMV theorem for y is equal to f of x equal to x square minus 1 in the interval, let us say 1 comma 2. Answer: y is equal to f of x equal to x square minus 1 being a polynomial function. Is continuous in the closed interval 1 comma 2. dy by dx is equal to f dash of x equal to 2x is a finite quantity. In open interval 1 comma 2. Therefore y is equal to f of x equal to x square minus 1 is differentiable in open interval 1 comma 2. Therefore required two conditions of LMV theorem are satisfied. Therefore there should exist at least one C element of open interval 1 comma 2 such that f dash of c is equal to f of 2 minus f of 1 by 2 minus 1. Let me just check the value of c. What is f dash of c? 2c. 2c is equal to, what is f of 2? 4 minus 1 minus, what is f of 1? This is 0, which implies c is equal to 3 by 2, which is an element of 1 comma 2. Thus LMV theorem is verified. Thus LMV theorem is verified. Y equal to f of x square minus 1 being a polynomial function is continuous in the closed interval 1 comma 2. Derivative is finite, therefore function is differentiable. Required two conditions for LMV theorem are satisfied. There exists at least one c, so the f dash of c is f of 2 minus f of 1 by 2 minus 1. Instead of b I have 2, instead of a I have 1. Therefore here it is 2c. 2c is equal to, that is 4 minus 1, this is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So c becomes 3 by 2 divided by 1 anyway here, 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, thus LMV theorem is verified. LMV theorem is verified. Okay, you should not write conditions are verified here, that is wrong. You should write conditions are satisfied. Here you should not write theorem is satisfied, here you should write theorem is verified. Okay, at the end you should write theorem is verified in both LMV theorem as well as Rolle's theorem. Okay, conditions are satisfied I should write, and theorem is verified at the end. Okay, verify LMV theorem for y is equal to box 6, let us say, in 5 comma 9. Okay, we know that box 6 is equal to greatest integer less than or equal to x is discontinuous at, what are all the points you can think about? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At every integral value, it is discontinuous, you know. Therefore, the first condition itself is not satisfied. Therefore, LMV theorem is not applicable. It should satisfy both the conditions. Then only you should think about whether I am able to get a point C or not. That's the meaning. Okay, I have to think about there is a point. And in both Rolle's theorem and LMV theorem, after you get the final answer, the value should lie in the interval I should verify. Here it is discontinuous at all integral points, namely 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, the first condition itself is not satisfied. For LMV theorem is not applicable. For in the case of Rolle's theorem as well as mean value theorem, if at least one condition is not satisfied, then we will say that it is not applicable. If all the three conditions or two conditions accordingly are satisfied, then I will be able to check, I should check whether I will be able to get a point, at least one point satisfying the condition. There it is f dash of c is equal to 0. Here it is f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. After you get the value of c, you should conclude that particular value lies in the open interval. That's the way it has to be done. I think it's very useful to you. Thank you students for patient watching. We'll meet in a different video further.